Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. This is lesson 4 of Arduino course for complete beginners. So till now we have downloaded and installed Arduino IDE and seen how each and every pin of Arduino Uno, Nano and Mega works. And now we are ready for some programming. So in this video we will upload our very first code to Arduino Uno. For this you need one Arduino Uno and its USB cable. Now connect your Arduino Uno to your PC or laptop and open Arduino IDE. Here you can see two functions, void setup and void main. So what is functions? Basically functions are like containers where we can keep only one type of code in one function or container. So what we keep in void setup? Actually there are so many pins in Arduino. So in setup, we tell Arduino to use a particular pin for a particular sensor or output component. And in void loop, we keep the main coding part, means what we actually want to do from our hardwares connected to Arduino. Now I will write a small code and explain it to you. So here is our code. In void setup, there is a line pin mode bracket open 13 comma output in capital bracket close and semicolon. Now what is this pin mode? As its name suggests, we are telling Arduino that in which mode we are using a particular pin. Now there are only two modes, input and output. We use input when we take data from a sensor to Arduino, and we use output when we send signal or voltage from Arduino to actuators. So here under bracket 13 is there. What is it? It is the pin number. And why we are using pin number 13 only? Because there is a built-in LED in Arduino which is connected to pin 13. So this was all about void setup. So now let's see void loop. In void loop there is a digital write bracket open 13 comma high in capital bracket close and semicolon. Now what is digital write? As its name says, it writes digital signals, and digital signals can be 0 or 1, or you can say that high or low. Then inside bracket 13 is there. Here it represents pin number and then a comma. Then high is there. Here there can be only two things, high or low, where high means 5 volts and low means 0 volts. So this complete line is writing digital signal high to pin 13. In general terms, we can say that we are giving 5 volt to pin 13, and then in next line delay 500 and semicolon is there. So delay is used for freezing the code. In bracket 500 is there. It represents the time, and time is in millisecond. So 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. So 500 means half second. So this line is saying stop the code for executing next line for half seconds. In next line digital write bracket open 13 comma low in capital bracket close semicolon is written. It means we are giving 0 volt to pin 13, and in next line there is a delay of 500 millisecond means half second, means again code will be stopped for half second. Now see this loop part as full. In first line we are turning on our LED by giving 5 volt to it. In next line we stopped the code for half second, means LED will remain on for half second. Then we turned off our LED by giving 0 volt to it, and again stopped our code for half seconds, and this will keep off our LED for more half seconds. Now this loop function run continuously, means after last line it will execute first line present in loop function, and this code will run for infinity. Now let's verify our code by clicking on verify button. Now give a name to your sketch and click on save button. Then at right side down corner you will see a progress bar. It will tell you your code verifying progress. Then at same place in right side you will see done compiling, means you successfully compiled your code. Now watch this carefully. This is the most important part of this video. Click on tools, then click on boards. In boards, if you get many options, then select Arduino AVR boards or I think you will get ports option directly, and here select Arduino Uno. Now what we are doing here we told our Arduino that we are using Arduino Uno and not any other board. Now again go to tools, go to port and select the port which is showing Arduino Uno in brackets. Here you need to choose COM6 because Arduino Uno is written in bracket, and it means we have our Arduino connected to our PC through USB at this port only, and click on arrow icon, or we call it upload button, and similar than compile option you will see something happening. Here at right side you will see done compiling written. It means you have successfully uploaded your sketch. Now at this point many of you will face error, and if you are one of them then write down in comments. I will try to help. Now back to the video. Now check your Arduino. You will see a LED blinking like this. Now I want you to change the value of delays in the code and see the effect on the light blinking speed, and you can say this is a kind of a homework for you. Play with this blink code. So how was it guys? Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel and turn on bell for getting updates, and share this video with your friends, school students and engineering students. Soon I will be back with next video. Bye guys.